So I got my Beats mixers plugged in to my phone. And I'm going to prove to you that it still works in both ears. So right now, proof that it's playing through the headphones. You probably can tell. Here's the difference. Alright, that wasn't plugged in. Look. Now let's plug them in. So it works. Both ears work and everything, so you're good. I'm gonna just say be careful with jabbing the paper clip inside. Make sure you don't like jab the sides hard. But if this did help you, please like and consider subscribing and check out my other content, because I don't usually post videos like this. Here, let me shut my door. But if it helped you, please comment that it helped. Thank you, and see you later. Peace.